Welcome to my video. Today we will see how to install Windows level on VMware. So first we have to search Windows level ISO file. Then click on the first link. Then scroll down and here click on select Windows Multi-Edition iOS for 64-bit. Click on download. Now choose the language English International. Confirm. Now click on download. Now once the download is completed, I will come back to this video. Now here you can see the Windows ISO file. I have already downloaded this. Now open your VMware. Here you have to generate the password for your VM file. So click on generate, then copy this and save this password. Click on next. Here you have to define this size, maximum size. I am giving you as per my disk space. I am giving 150 GB. 64 GB is the recommended one. You can give 64 GB. So here it is option split this into multiple files or store virtual disk as a single file. So based on your requirement, you can select any one of this. I am selecting store virtual disk as a single file. Or click on finished. Now it will create a disk and it will start. Okay. Now you can see this icon, click OK. Click any button. Press any of buttons. When you have to come out of this, press Ctrl Alt. Now you can see this screen. Scroll down and just click next. Based on your language to be installed, it will be unique. And format you can keep as date and currency format now. So now next. Install Windows level. I agree. Next. For now we don't have product key, so we will click I don't have product key for now. Now you can see the operating systems. So based on your requirement, you can select any one of this. Now I am selecting Windows Level Pro. Okay. Accept. Now you can see the disk space which you have given. I have given 150 GB. If you are given 64, you will see 64 GB over here. Now click on next. Now click on install. Where it is started installing. So I will pause my video till it gets 100% completed. So in between it will restart. So it has completed 100% installing. It has restarted. Now it is installing again. So let this complete 100% over here. So till then I will pause my video. Select your country over here. I will select India and click yes. Just select yours, click yes. Skip this. It is asking, do you want second keyboard layout? Skip this. Now you can see it is checking for updates. If you don't want, disable your internet for some time. Now you will see this screen. Give your device a name. So you can give any name you want, or you can skip for now. I will click on skip for now. Now here, if you you can see two option. So I am using for personal use. So I will select the first option. Come down, click next. Now you will see this screen. If you scroll down, you will see sign in. So you will require a Microsoft account to sign in over here. Click on sign in button. It will ask you to log in with the Microsoft sign in account. If you don't have, you can create one over here. I will sign in using my Microsoft account. So now you can see this screen. It is asking to create a pin to log in into Windows. So go down, click on create pin. So I will create my pin. So after you create the pin, you will be seeing this screen. So it will be asking for geolocation here, all this option based on your requirement. For now, I am doing no for all this. Except here you can see two options. If you want to restore from PC, that is you can log into the Microsoft account. But for now, select the second option, setup has a new PC, and click next. Now you can see your Windows is getting ready over here. Now you will see this screen. Skip this for now. Use your phone from your PC. Skip this for now. Backup your phone photos to keep them safe. Skip this for now. Not for now. Click. Click next over here. Skip this for now. You can see now the Windows setup is completed and your Windows level on VM has got installed over here. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and click on the like button.